claim, I just envisioned all of my cute clothes were lost forever. And that's not a good way to start off a vacation. This brings me to the next point. If you have to pack your super cute clothes, be sure to take a photo or video of your items and jot down the value of each item so that if you have to make a claim, you have your items and the value recorded. Next, I noticed here in Miami that gratuity can sometimes already be added to your check, even for small parties. So review your bill properly. You know, if it's dim lighting or the music's going, you're having a good time and the drinks are flowing, you might not notice that little line that makes you believe that gratuity needs to be added. Well, it's already added in and you could be double tipping. Just be sure to pay attention. Next, if you're at a property that's on or near the beach, be sure to utilize the boardwalk to get some exercise. It's free. A lot of the hotels and resorts charge to use their gym, and this is a great opportunity to get outside, get some fresh air, get some sun, and meet some great people. Also, if you're looking for some beautiful shots on the beach, consider coming out early in the morning. It is so quiet and peaceful, and as you can see, it is beautiful. Next, pace yourself. Remember, you are not in your 20s. Take your time, take a nap, and wear stylish, comfortable clothing, and go at your own pace. Miami is beautiful, and you can make Miami as wild or as mild as you like it with